Hi class, good day. Welcome to another topic for discussion in basic accounting. Today's topic is all about accounting cycle. Step 9, prepare post-closing trial balance. Game? Game. So prepare closing trial balance. In this step, we prepare a trial balance, list of all ledger account balances to check whether total debits are equal with total credits after closing. So again, ang purpose nito, malaman kung balanse pa rin ba yung total debits and total credits. After natin gumawa ng closing entries at i-post yung closing entries sa respective na ledgers. Okay? Parehas din yung proseso na gagawin natin sa paggawa ng post-closing trial balance. Ang bago lang dito, this time wala tayong makikita na mga temporary accounts. Wala ng revenue or income accounts, walang expense accounts, at drawing accounts. Lahat zero balance na yan. At yung amount niyan, syempre, na-transfer na sa owner's capital account. Okay? So kung zero balance na yung mga binanggit ko kanina, hindi na natin kailangan ipakita sa post-closing trial balance. Tama? So to appreciate, let's continue our illustrative problem, Pag-ong Delivery Express. Okay? So, pero bago muna yun, we will transfer the closing entries we made in the general journal to respective ledgers niya. Okay? Yung mga account na yun na affected. So, first in the line, etong ginawa nating closing entries for revenue accounts. So, ilipat lang natin. So, ito. So, dito tayo sa service revenue ledger. And for the first closing entry, naka-debit siya, kung mapapansin nyo. So, lipat lang natin. Debit lang din dito. Okay? So, debit, yan, 129,000. Particulars natin, of course, closing entries. Before the closing entries, meron tayong 129,000. Then, may debit tayo ngayon na 129,000. So, credit and debit. Ibig sabihin, deduction. And since equal amount, zero magiging effect niyan. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Now, as proof na na-transfer na sa ledger account, lipat natin itong account number dito sa post-reference column ng general journal. So, 401. Sulat natin, 401. Okay. Oops. Ayaw masulat. 401. 401. Yan. Okay? And then, next, ilipat natin yung interest income naman dito sa respective ledger niya. So again, debit yan. So ilagay lang natin as debit. So since dati 80 pesos yan, now we have 80 pesos again. So credit balance before, now debit entry naman siya. Now for closing, so that will give you 0 also. Okay? So, close na yan. So, yung account number, ilagay lang natin dito sa post reference niya. Okay? 402. So, ibig sabihin na post na yan. Next, income and expense summary. Kung mapapansin nyo, credited yan. So, lipat lang natin as credit. So, ito yung income and expense summary. So, sulat natin as credit. So, lagay natin dito. Yan. 129,080. So, balance niya as of ganun din. Okay? Proof na nalipat na natin, account number, ilagay natin dito sa post reference ng general journal. So, 303. Okay? So, that's it. Na-post na natin yung first closing entry for revenues. Okay? And now, let's go with another closing entry na ginawa natin for expenses naman. So, kung mapapansin natin, naka-debit yan. So, lipat lang natin yan dito sa income and expense summary, ledger account, as debit also. Amounting to 112,950. So, may credit ka, 129,080 before, as balance, then debit ngayon. So, offsetting mangyayari dyan. As of balance niyan, 16,130. So, copy natin yung account number niya, which is 303. Proof na posted na. So, susunod, lahat naman to credit, no? So, ililipat na lang natin yan. Okay? So, nasa na mga expenses, ledgers natin? Ito. So, puro credit tayo dito. So, 30. So, as you notice, 30,000 before the closing. Debit balance yan. Then, we have credit entry now as closing entry. So, in effect, 30 minus 30, 0. So, account number, lipat natin para posted na. Next, direct charges, gas and oil, ganun din. As credit. Therefore, balance niya, 0. Okay, lipat natin account number, 502. Tama po. And then next is direct charges, repairs, and maintenance. So, ganun din. As credit, 13,000 yan. Balance mo, 0. Lipat natin 503, yung account number. Yan, para posted na. Next, direct charges, delivery equipment, ganun din. Credit, 2,500. That will give you 0 balance. So, account number niya, 504. Next, salaries expense. Okay. 12,000 as credit. And 0 balance na yan, in effect. Okay, so sulat natin, 506. Then next, we have rent expense. Same pa rin. Credit siya, 11,000. In effect, 0 na ang balance. 506 ang account ledger ng rent expense. Ang salaries expense, it should be 505. Okay? Next, taxes and license. So, ganun lang din ang gagawin natin, class, no? Ang posting naman is just transferring the data from the general journal. Okay? So, in effect, 0 yan. Close na ang tax and license expense. 507. Next, utilities. So, ganun lang. Hanggang sa malipat na natin lahat ng information. So, 0 balance, 508. Okay. Then, sunod, supplies expense. Meron tayong credit dito na amounting, of course, to 3,000 also. So, in effect, 0. So, ganun lang siya. Doubtful accounts pa. Doubtful accounts expense. Okay, nilipat natin. In effect, 0 ulit ang balance, 510. And depreciation, expense furniture naman, 1,000. So, in effect, 0 yan. So, lipat natin account number niya. Depreciation, office equipment, same. Credit natin yan, 1,100. In effect, 0. 512. Okay. Then, interest expense, credit ulit. In effect, 0 na. So, posted na yung mga closing entries natin for expense. Or yung closing entry natin for closing the expense. Okay? So, next is, i-transfer natin yung entry natin to close the income and expense summary account naman. So, balik tayo dun sa income and expense summary account. Nasaan na yun? Eto. So, this time, as you notice, naka-debit yung income and expense summary account amounting to 16,130. So, ganun lang din. Debit natin yan. So, in effect, magzi-zero out na yung income and expense summary account. So, yung account number, sulat natin, proof na na-post na. And ang kaakibat niyan, of course, credit posting ng 16,130 sa own capital account. So, credit yan here. So, before closing, meron tayong 520,000 plus 16,130. The updated balance as of now is 536,130. So, post natin. Yan. So, okay na. And last one to post is yung closing entry for drawing account. So, punta tayo sa drawing account. Ito. So, as you notice, naka-credit siya. Okay? Credit natin, of course. And in effect, 0 na yan. And sulat natin yung account number niya, 302. And then last, yung dinebit natin na own capital account. So, hinuli natin yan, no? So, debit siya since drawing account yung kinlose niya. So, before, 536,130 minus 3,000, updated balance ng own capital account is 533,130. Okay? And i-post natin yan. Sulat natin yung account number. So, that's it. That's how you post the closing entries to its respective ledgers. Now, this time, gagawa na tayo ng adjusted post-closing trial balance. Okay? So, here. Basically, ililipat lang ulit natin yung mga information dito sa respective ledgers niya. So, again, pag gagawa tayo ng trial balance, we have to write the headings. First, the name of the company and the name of the report. This time, tatawagin natin post-closing trial balance kasi after closing yung ginawa. Trial balance to after the closing. And the date covered, of course. Okay? Then, basically, yung mga information na kailangan natin. Yan. So, cash on hand, una nating ilagay. Same pa rin yan, walang nagbago. Nung nag-closing entries tayo. And then, we have, so 100,000 yan, no? Then, we have cash in bank. Ganun din yan, walang nagbago. 539,000. Debit yan. Okay? And then, next is yung accounts receivable, which is 47,000 as debit balance. Tama po? So, ilagay lang din natin yan. And then, credit balance natin for allowance for doubtful accounts. As you notice, 2,350, same. So, next, notes receivable, 16,000, debit, same. Interest receivable, 80 pesos, same yan. Wala namang naapektuhan dyan nung closing entries. Kasi take note, ang closing entries ang naapektuhan lang niya, mga temporary accounts. Lahat ng sinusulat natin ngayon, mga permanent accounts to eh. Or should I say balance sheet accounts. So definitely hindi siya affected ng closing entries. So office supplies, 2,000. Okay, yung balance niya. And furnitures, 36,000. Accumulated depreciation ng furnitures, credit yan. Okay, don't forget. 1,000. Then, office equipment, 74,000. Tama, di ba? And, ano pa? Ayan, accumulated depreciation, office equipment, 1,100, credit. Delivery equipment, meron tayong balance na 300,000. Accumulated depreciation, delivery equipment, 2,500, credit. Accounts payable, credit din yan. 37,000. Tama? Ito. Okay? And we have yan. Salaries payable. Credit ulit. 2,000. Tama? Unearned service revenue. Liability account yan. As of now, balance niya 30,000. Credit. And next is notes payable. Credit again, 500,000. And interest payable, credit again, 5,000. Now, this time, yung huli nating ta-transfer, yung on capital account. Okay? Yung capital account na credit balance niya, okay, credit balance niya as of the moment, 533,130. Actually, after na to at the end of the accounting period na to. So, ito na yung ending capital balance niya for January 31, 2020. Now, it should be balance again. Okay? Kailangan balance yan. So, lagyan lang natin yung total. Yung peso amount. Peso amount. Okay? So, again, ang post-closing trial balance natin, since from the word itself, no, trial balance, no, so, kailangan sum up natin yung lahat ng debit. So, sum up lang natin. Okay? Yan. 1,114,080. It should be equal with the total credit. Sum up lang natin. Tingnan natin. Ayun. Ayun, 1,114,080. So, balance ulit ito. And since balance yan, magbunyi tayo dahil with double rule. Okay? And that's it for preparing post-closing trial balance.